Learn English should forms in Gujarati.
જોઈએ.
And more. Welcome to Should City. Hey, you are about to learn one tiny word family that causes a huge amount of life advice. And yes, today even the cat, the teacher, and the suspiciously dramatic parrot all have opinions. Welcome to Should City, where everybody has advice and nobody can mind their own business. In English, the key word is should. In Gujarati, that core idea is often
જોઈએ.
So if your brain says, I should study, you should sleep, or, we should leave before this party gets weird, you are in exactly the right place. Today you will hear the basic form.
જોઈએ.
Plus who is involved.
મારે જોઈએ.
For, I should.
તારે જોઈએ.
For, you should.
તેને જોઈએ.
For, he is supposed to.
તેણીએ જોઈએ.
For, she should.
આપણે જોઈએ.
For, we should.
તમારે જોઈએ.
For, you all should, and.
તેઓએ જોઈએ.
For, they should. You will also meet the gossip cousin.
એવું કહેવાય છે કે.
Meaning, it is said to, or, it is said that. So take a breath, grab imaginary tea, and let's learn advice without sounding like a grumpy robot. Your main word today. Start simple and strong. If you remember one word first, make it this one. The core word is
જોઈએ.
It gives the feeling of should, soft advice, recommendation, or what would be best. Think of it like a friendly finger pointing the way, not a police siren.
જોઈએ.
Is guidance, not a dramatic emergency. Example, you should rest now. Gujarati.
તમે હવે આરામ કરવો જોઈએ.
Example, we should leave early. Gujarati.
અમે વહેલા નિકળવું જોઈએ.
Example, he should study more. Gujarati.
તેને વધુ અભ્યાસ કરવો જોઈએ.
Tiny memory trick. Here.
જોઈએ.
As the sound of your conscience politely clearing its throat. Who should do it? Now let's attach should to different people, because advice gets more fun when we can aim it at everyone equally. I should, is.
મારે જોઈએ.
Example.
મારે હવે જવું જોઈએ.
I should go now. You should, is.
તારે જોઈએ.
Example.
તારે ધ્યાનથી સાંભળવું જોઈએ.
You should listen carefully. He is supposed to, is.
તેને જોઈએ.
Example.
તેને વહેલું આવવું જોઈએ.
He is supposed to arrive early. She should, is.
તેણીએ જોઈએ.
Example.
તેણીએ હવે જવું જોઈએ.
She should leave now. We should, is.
આપણે જોઈએ.
Example.
આપણે હવે જવું જોઈએ.
We should leave now. You all should, is.
તમારે જોઈએ.
Example.
તમારે સમય પર આવવું જોઈએ.
You all should arrive on time. They should, is.
તેઓએ જોઈએ.
Example.
તેઓએ વધુ અભ્યાસ કરવો જોઈએ.
They should study more. A very nosy mini-story. Listen to this little story and notice how the should forms keep popping up like uninvited aunties at a family event. It is exam week. Everyone is in chaos. Rohan looks at his books and sighs.
મારે જોઈએ.
Because he knows, I should study. His friend points at him and says,
તારે જોઈએ.
more focus and less scrolling. The teacher walks in and announces that Ravi is late again, and
તેને જોઈએ.
come early tomorrow. Then Meera drops her notebook, and her friend whispers that
તેણીએ જોઈએ.
organize her bag before it becomes a paper volcano. The study group finally agrees.
આપણે જોઈએ.
Help each other. The teacher looks at the whole class and says,
તમારે જોઈએ.
finish the work today. Outside the classroom, the principal watches another group of students running in late and mutters,
તેઓએ જોઈએ.
buy an alarm clock. Moral of the story. Everybody should do something, and somehow the cat still escapes responsibility. The gossip phrase. Now for a useful bonus phrase, because language learning is not complete until someone whispers mysterious information. The phrase
એવું કહેવાય છે કે
means, it is said to, or, it is said that. Use it when reporting something you heard, but you are not personally signing a legal document to prove it. Very convenient. Example.
એવું કહેવાય છે કે કાલે વરસાદ પડશે.
It is said to rain tomorrow. Example.
એવું કહેવાય છે કે આ સાચું છે.
It is said to be true. Example.
એવું કહેવાય છે કે આ ઘણીવાર થાય છે.
It is said to happen often. So if your friend says, I heard the exam is easy, you can raise one eyebrow and begin with.
એવું કહેવાય છે કે
Instant dramatic effect. Repeat after me. Now say these aloud with me. Slow and clear beats, fast and confused. Should.
જોઈએ.
I should.
મારે જોઈએ.
You should.
તારે જોઈએ.
He is supposed to.
તેને જોઈએ.
She should.
તેણીએ જોઈએ.
It is said to.
એવું કહેવાય છે કે
We should.
આપણે જોઈએ.
You all should.
તમારે જોઈએ.
They should.
તેઓએ જોઈએ.
Funny dialogue drill. Here comes a playful dialogue. Listen once, then act it out if you want. Yes, dramatic hand gestures are allowed. A. I have watched 6 hours of videos about productivity. B. Amazing. And.
મારે જોઈએ.
Ask, did you actually study? A. No. B. Then.
તારે જોઈએ.
Open your book, not your snack drawer. A. What about Ravi? B.
તેને જોઈએ.
Finish the task today. A. And Mira? B.
તેણીએ જોઈએ.
Call the teacher. A. What about us? B.
આપણે જોઈએ.
Stay calm and study together. A. What about the whole class? B.
તમારે જોઈએ.
Arrive on time tomorrow. A. And the students next door? B.
તેઓએ જોઈએ.
Stop singing during the math test. A. Is it true the principal dances in the hallway at night? B.
એવું કહેવાય છે કે
Yes, but I value my safety, so no comment. Quick quiz time. You are up. Answer in your head or out loud before I give you the answer. How do you say should in Gujarati? Answer.
જોઈએ.
How do you say I should? Answer.
મારે જોઈએ.
How do you say you should? Answer.
તારે જોઈએ.
How do you say he is supposed to? Answer.
તેને જોઈએ.
How do you say she should? Answer.
તેણીએ જોઈએ.
How do you say it is said to? Answer.
એવું કહેવાય છે કે
How do you say we should? Answer.
આપણે જોઈએ.
How do you say you all should? Answer.
તમારે જોઈએ.
How do you say they should? Answer.
તેઓએ જોઈએ.
Your tiny challenge. Let's make this useful right away. Build real thoughts you might actually say. Say, I should rest. One possible Gujarati sentence is,
મારે આરામ કરવો જોઈએ.
say, you should go now. One possible Gujarati sentence is,
તારે હવે જવું જોઈએ.
say, we should be careful. One possible Gujarati sentence is,
આપણે સાવચેત રહેવું જોઈએ.
say, they should call tomorrow. One possible Gujarati sentence is,
તેઓએ કાલે ફોન કરવો જોઈએ.
say, it is said that it will rain. One possible Gujarati sentence is,
એવું કહેવાય છે કે વરસાદ પડશે.
now make one sentence of your own with,
જોઈએ.
nice, your brain just did real work. Please accept one invisible gold star. Friendly conclusion. You did it, and unlike our fictional lazy cat, you actually showed up and learned. Today you learned the Gujarati core word,
જોઈએ.
for, should, and the full set of useful forms.
મારે જોઈએ. તારે જોઈએ. તેને જોઈએ. તેણીએ જોઈએ. એવું કહેવાય છે કે આપણે જોઈએ. તમારે જોઈએ.
And,
તેઓએ જોઈએ.
thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, build a few simple sentences of your own, and come back again tomorrow. You should practice, of course. Or in Gujarati.
તારે જોઈએ